What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking us out. This guy to my right, that's Rob, also known as Robbie Pleased. You actually might recognize him from last night's play of the game in Overwatch where he killed you and then fell off a cliff.
And this guy right here, his name's Chris, also known as Aurelius5150. He's the kind of guy who would go for butter when he asked for apples, and that really cost us the game, man.
What can I say? I love fried food. Anyways, we're the Super Game Knobs. Our tale together begins about 10 years ago when I was running a game store here in Las Vegas.
And I was looking for a place to play some ridiculously good Guitar Hero.
He was good, people. Anyways, that full story's for another time. Today, we just wanted to introduce ourselves and welcome you to the channel. Also, we wanted to announce that the first episode of our weekly show will air next Sunday.
Each week, we'll be sharing and discussing the latest in the gaming world, along with providing our experiences and reviews of current games and old ones.
We also couldn't think of what better to cover next week than the release of the Nintendo Switch and Zelda Breath of the Wild.
That's right, our very first episode is going to be a Nintendo Switch special. We're going to be giving a full rundown, our experience with the system, and a look at some of the launch titles.
That's right. Also in that episode, Rob will be providing his impressions of Horizon Zero Dawn, which releases for the PlayStation 4 this Tuesday, I believe.
We're very excited for that, so definitely a lot of adventure ahead of us. Hope you'll join us for that and other future experiences.
Also, each week I wanted to say that we'll be having regular live streams, both individually and together. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned for the schedule. We'll be providing that at the end of each episode.
And with that, we'd like to thank you and hope to see you soon.
Later.